Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBet Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. If you guys didn't see the video that I uploaded yesterday, I talked about natural gas and on this 20-day, 1-hour chart, a pattern that I saw. That was simply just it. It was an idea. I wanted to share the pattern. I wanted to get feedback, and we got both, feedback that was supporting what it is that I said, and other people that thought it was going to go completely the other way. And I think that's the amazing part about networking is, again, you got to hear other people's opinion and their thought process, which was great. What ended up happening was what we expected to happen. So again, 20-day, 1-hour chart for natural gas. You could see that almost every single time, not perfectly, but it got rejected at the SMA line. Again, it got rejected, it got rejected, it got rejected. And yesterday, if you guys look very closely, this is where we were at. This is where we were at. And by the time the market opened, it hit lows of 2.25, which is huge because it was at 2.35 and it was at the SMA line. So again, we saw this very consistent descending pattern. So the direction was, again, going against natural gas. The SMA line was acting as a resistance, and it wasn't much of a surprise that this thing began to sell off. And boy, did we make a profit. So just so you guys can see that, total of 22 orders. I made $3,637 all within DGAS. And what ended up happening was I took a position on UGAS. I was actually doing very, very well. And what ended up happening was I just really began to struggle as the direction began to change. So if we go on the 1-day, 1-minute chart, yes, natural gas did sell off quite a bit. Therefore, UGAS sold off quite a bit. But then UGAS really began to rally. And then again, the direction began to change as well. Right on over here, we saw a lot of consolidation. So right around, what is this, around 11 to 12. Right now I'm in Central Standard Time since I'm in Arkansas. All it really did was consolidate. So this was really when all the action was happening. The direction was super clear. It was showing signs of an uptrend pattern, and then it began to sell off, therefore in favor of DGAS, just so you guys could see right over there. But again, $3,637 profit on DGAS. And I did a decent job managing my risk, not the best, but $324 is what I give back. Altogether, $3,312.48. That's going to be all. One of the things I just noticed is it's December 13th. It is a Friday, but guess what? We ended it strong, we ended it green, and that's what's important. Let's keep it consistent. Let's lock in those profits. Again, trade less, profit more, ignore what everyone else is saying, and simply focus on what makes sense to you, because you'll either make a profit or you'll learn from it. So again, don't forget to join our free Facebook group. We're the largest one in the world for those who day trade in the stock market, with over 234,000 members. And all you have to do is click the first link down below to join. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what it is that you plan to trade next week. Thank you guys again. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.